Whenever I start working with a new doctor, I ask them this one simple question: what business are you in? And 9 out of 10 times they say, I'm in the skin business, or I'm in the plastic surgery business, or I'm in the dermatology business, or aesthetic business. And then I smile because that's the exact belief that keeps most clinics small. You're not in the skin business, you're not in the laser business, you're not even in the dermatology business. You are in the transformation business. You sell confidence, self worth, freedom, and identity. And once you start operating from that mindset, everything changes. The way you design your offer changes, the way you price your services changes, the way your patients feel changes, and most importantly, the way your business grows changes. So, today let's talk about what it truly means to run a transformation business and how the moment you shift your thinking, your clinic's growth graph starts compounding automatically. So, let's be honest, most specialist doctors never learned business in medical school. You were trained to diagnose, treat, and heal, but nobody taught you how to build a brand, attract patients, or create a scalable business model. So naturally, you've built your clinic around your skill and not your vision. And that's why so many clinics are just nice setups: clean interiors, polite staff, good results, but there's no deeper identity. You have become a service provider in your own clinic instead of being the architect of a movement. The day you start seeing yourself as a brand architect, your entire world changes. You stop thinking in terms of how do I treat more patients and start thinking how do I create an experience that transforms how patients see themselves. And that's the difference between running a clinic and leading the category. So let me tell you something that sounds simple but changes everything. No one wakes up wanting a treatment. They wake up wanting to feel something. They want to look more confident again. They want to feel attractive before their wedding. They might want people to stop commenting on their acne, but they don't want a treatment. The treatment is just the vehicle. What they are buying is the emotional transformation. You're not selling a laser, you are selling confidence under any light. You're not selling Botox, you're selling the freedom to love the mirror again. And once you start marketing, speaking, and delivering from that emotional space, your patients stop negotiating on price because emotions can't have a price tag. Think of Apple. They're not selling phones, they're selling status, identity, simplicity, and belonging. And your clinic can do the exact same thing in your niche. Once you stop positioning your treatments as mere transactions, same service, different story, and 10x more perceived value. That's the real business of dermatology. Let's build this step by step for you. Our transformation based business has four main layers. The first layer is the identity of the clinic. What do you stand for beyond merely treatments? What change do you promise? What kind of people do you attract? For example, Clinic A says, we help patients get fairer skin, while Clinic B says, we help ambitious professionals look as confident as they feel. Which one sounds like a brand? Yeah, you guessed it right. The second one. Because people don't buy fairness, they buy confidence. And the second layer is transformation offer. Stop selling per session and start selling outcomes. Package everything around a clear before after vehicle framework. Before showcases their current pains or frustrations, after is their desired identity, and vehicle is your proprietary program or process. For example, you can have a skin revival 90-day 3-month system to reset, repair, and build the skin barrier for long-term clarity. The third layer is transformation communication. Every piece of your content, your ads, and your consultations should connect to the same transformation story. Talk less about machines and more about meaning. Use patient success stories to build belief. Remember, your job in communication is not to educate, it's rather to evoke emotion and make them believe in you. The fourth layer is transformational delivery. The experience your patients get must reflect that same identity. From the first WhatsApp message to post treatment follow ups, every step must make them feel seen, understood, and elevated. And when they leave, they should feel that they're not just improved, but they are transformed. And once these four layers are in place, scaling your clinic becomes effortless because every part of your ecosystem, your ads, your content, the front desk, follow ups, all tell the same transformational story. And that's what creates a brand that people trust, remember, and refer. Now, let me give you a quick example. One of the doctors we worked with, let's call her Dr. A. She had a brilliant clinic in Pune, amazing interiors, top end machines, fantastic results. But she was stuck at about 9 to 10 lakhs a month for 18 months straight. And when we first spoke, I asked her, Dr. A, what's your offer? And she said, we do advanced laser and peel treatments for pigmentation. I smiled and said, it's not an offer, ma'am, that's a menu. We then rebuilt everything around transformation. We named a new flagship program the Pigmentation Reset Protocol, and we designed a 90-day roadmap with three phases: repair, treat, and maintain. We rewrote her ads to speak to the emotions. Stop hiding behind concealers, and it's time to love your bare skin again. Then we trained our front desk to talk about transformation and not treatments, and within 60 days, her average ticket size went up by 3 times. Her conversion rate almost doubled. But most importantly, she became the face of a movement and not just another clinic in Pune. That's the power of repositioning your business around transformation. Now, let me give you the biggest mistakes a young doctor makes in this journey. The number one mistake I see them make is that whenever their growth plateaus, they go buy a new laser, launch a new treatment, but that's like repainting your house when the foundation is actually cracked. What you need is not more machines, you need more meaning, because patients don't remember the technology, they remember how you made them feel. So focus on brand experience and transformation storytelling before adding another machine to the menu. The ROI will be 10 times higher. So here's what I want you to remember from this video. You are not in the skin business, you are in the transformation business. People don't buy treatments, they buy emotions, identity, and results that make them feel seen. And once you accept that, you stop competing with every other clinic in your city and you build a category of one. And that's when the entire dynamic changes. Patients start chasing you, the price resistance disappears, and word of mouth turns into organic demand because your business stops being a clinic and it becomes a brand that people believe in. So if this helped you see your business differently, share with one of your friends, share with a doctor who is still marketing like a technician and not a transformer, because that's how we create a new generation of specialist entrepreneurs, people who don't just change faces but they impact lives. I hope you got some great value from this video, and if you did, just hit the subscribe button below because this is one of many and I'm gonna keep bringing such content for you guys. So hit the button below, subscribe to the channel, and I'm gonna see you in the next video.